Are you looking for the perfect gaming chair to elevate your comfort in 2024? In today's video, we're diving into the best options, from top brands to ergonomic designs that will keep you playing for hours without discomfort. Hit the subscribe button, give a thumbs up or down, and comment about which one is best for you. Okay, let's get started. Number 1. Mavix M9. This chair may come with a premium price tag, but it justifies every penny with unmatched comfort and ergonomic excellence. This gaming chair features dynamic lumbar support and an adjustable back height and headrest, ensuring a customized fit for your unique shape and size. One standout feature is the cool gel M-foam seat cushion, designed to keep you cool during long gaming sessions, something we found truly effective. The exceptional build quality adds durability, making the investment feel worthwhile even if you're hesitant about spending on a high-end chair. While budget-friendly options exist, few can match the Mavix M9 in terms of comfort, functionality, and support, making it a top choice for those who prioritize quality over cost. Number 2. IKEA Markus. This is a fantastic option for budget-conscious buyers seeking comfort and practicality. While it doesn't flaunt the flashy gamer aesthetic, its sleek design fits seamlessly into any setup, whether next to a gaming PC, console, or a modern office desk. Its understated look appeals to those who prefer furniture without bold logos or vibrant colors. The Markus offers height and tilt adjustments, and the backrest can be locked or reclined for added comfort. Its mesh back promotes airflow, ensuring breathability during extended use. Despite its affordability, this chair delivers solid build quality and comfort for long sitting sessions. What truly sets it apart is its 10-year guarantee, providing peace of mind for those concerned about durability in a budget-friendly product. Number 3. Herman Miller Embody x Logitech G. The Herman Miller Embody, now revamped in partnership with Logitech G, is a premium office chair that excels as a gaming chair. Designed for extended gaming sessions, it combines ergonomic innovation with tailored support. While we're still testing it, our initial impressions are highly positive. This chair offers a back-fit adjustment to align with your spine, a smooth tilt mechanism that mirrors natural pivot points, and a multi-layered breathable seat for comfort and airflow. Customizability is key. The height, armrests, and seat depth are fully adjustable to ensure the perfect fit. It also includes copper-infused cooling foam to reduce heat buildup, and an additional layer of foam for improved posture support. While color options are limited and it lacks a headrest, the Embody is undeniably a premium investment in comfort and style. Number 4. AndaSeat Kaiser 3XL. This is an excellent choice for bigger individuals seeking a comfortable and durable gaming chair. With a weight capacity of up to 395 pounds and a height limit of 210 centimeters, it provides a spacious and supportive experience. The chair doesn't just offer size. It's built with a heavy-duty chassis, strong caster wheels, and exceptional lumbar support. In addition to its robust construction, the Kaiser 3XL features high-quality materials, adjustable arms, and backrests, allowing for a personalized fit. Despite its large size, the chair remains easy to assemble, and its superior cushioning ensures lasting comfort. At around $500, the Kaiser 3XL provides fantastic value for anyone looking for an ergonomic, high-quality gaming chair designed for larger body types. Number 5. Secretlab Titan Evo 2022. This is an impressive redesign of the original Titan gaming chair, delivering a far more comfortable experience. It offers a wide variety of aesthetic options, from faux leather and cloth to designs inspired by popular games and esports teams. Additionally, the new Soft Weave Plus fabric finishes, available in several colors, further enhance the chair's appeal. Beyond its looks, the Titan Evo 2022 excels in ergonomics for long gaming sessions. It features adjustable built-in lumbar support, cold-cured memory foam padding, and a fully magnetic memory foam head pillow, providing both comfort and support. The racing seat style that some other brands criticize is transformed here into one of the best ergonomic options for serious gamers. So, which one takes the crown? After testing all the options, the Secretlab Titan Evo 2022 stands out as the ultimate choice for comfort, support, and durability. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments.